Alright, there's a good free graphing tool that you can go to at www.padawan.dk/graph, and I'll post this in the classroom, the link. And when you go to this link, all you want to do is you want to click up here where it says download, and then either just click where it says download, or if you need it for the Mac, but if you're using a PC, click download and then select this setup graph. Don't click this up here because this is an advertisement. So set up this graph, and then once it downloads and you install it, you'll see something that looks like this. To type in your constraints, you go to function, insert relation. So function, insert relation, and let's say chapter 2, question number 23. I want to put these constraints in. Now the only problem is we let E equal Easy Rider and L equal Lady Sport. This program only knows X and Y's, so you just have to change your constraints to X's and Y's. So I'll let E be my X and Y be my L. So I'll have 6X plus 3Y is less than or equal to 2100. This was the manufacturing time. I can pick whatever color I want and say OK. Now I'm going to zoom up here way out because you're going to see that I'm not actually seeing that line. So as I continue to zoom out, you can see the line now. Alright, so that's the constraint that the manufacturing time must be below that line. I can go do the frames for the Lady Sport by function, insert relation. Remember the Lady Sport, we're using Y is less than or equal to 280. And I'm going to change the color so we can see the difference between where this is and the manufacturing time. And so as you can see, it's below that line. And function, insert relation. Now I'm going to do the assembly and testing, which is 2 hours for the Easy Rider, X, plus 2.5 Y for the Lady Sport, has to be less than or equal to 1000. And again, just pick a different color, and now I get my 3 lines. If you want to like make this look a little better and you could add text to it, you can click this A right here. I could insert text and I could put manufacture time, and I'll even change the color to red so it matches my actual line. And if I click off the hand, I can pick that up and move it. So I move that, do another one for the frames, and this was only for the Lady Sport. Say OK, put that right there, or no, I'm sorry, that was the blue one, right? So if I double click it, I can get my color back. Yeah, that's the right color. Or no, I guess the color's blue. I'm trying to figure out the color here, so the color was blue. And then finally this last one, I don't think it changed my color. There we go. This last one was for the assembly and testing. So assembling and testing. And again, trying to get it to match, just so I can kind of tell what goes with what. And this allows me to look at this for my constraints, and I'm going to know that this point right here, okay, where these 2 lines cross, that's going to be my optimal solution. And I'll show you how to find that exact value in Excel. But this at least gives you a way how to draw out your solution.